How to fix notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn on notification sound. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on messages, click on notification, and if you want to turn on notification sound, then click on turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification sound from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search messages. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, your messages data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.